This is a bit precarious because there is a weld joint on the back of this right here, and it bubbled through. So I can put transfers on here, but because of the way the metal moves, and this is already, I would not mess this thing up like that. I wouldn't use it like I did on that other little sculpture because there's already paint on here and there is already a coating of varnish so that it'll keep the paint and the other colors that I worked with on there. So in order to actually put an image on here, I would probably do an image in pieces because some things may not take it right. So let's look at that. Now here's a tip about this piecing and everything. When you get something that's close to it, you do not want to put solution again on this and put another piece on it. Because if you do get it wet again and put a piece on it, they'll both separate and it won't work very well because the other will be really mushy. So when you have places that come up on this, you're going to have to cut them around so that you're not laying it on top of the old piece so the other piece doesn't come up. This turned out great, but now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what I do where I have to cut stuff out. I'll give you a little trick of coloring something to blend into the image. So we'll do that next, but I have to wait for this to dry. And then when I think it's done, it's done.